Question 1. The standard width of broad gauge in Indian Railways is. The correct answer is 1.676 meters. Question 2. The standard width of meter gauge is. The correct answer is 1.000 meters. Question 3. The standard width of standard gauge used in metro is. The correct answer is 1.435 meters. Question 4. Coning of wheels in railway vehicles is done at a slope of. The correct answer is 1 in 20. Question 5. The main function of coning of wheels is to. The correct answer is keep the train central on straight tracks and help in curves. Question 6. Creep of rails is the. The correct answer is longitudinal movement of rails. Question 7. Standard length of a broad gauge rail in India is. The correct answer is 13 meters, approximately 12.80 meters. Question 8. Sleeper density is expressed as where m is rail length. The correct answer is m plus x. Question 9. The best material for ballast in railway tracks is. The correct answer is broken stone, granite divided by trap. Question 10. Minimum depth of ballast cushion for broad gauge tracks is. The correct answer is 20 to 25 cm. Question 11. Can't superelevation is provided to. The correct answer is counteract centrifugal force on curves. Question 12. Equilibrium superelevation E is given by. The correct answer is GV to the power of 2 divided by 127 R. Question 13. Cant efficiency CD is the difference between. The correct answer is theoretical cant for maximum speed and actual cant provided. Question 14. Maximum permissible superelevation for broad gauge in India is. The correct answer is 16.5 centimeters. Question 15. Grade compensation on curves for broad gauge is. The correct answer is 0.04% per degree of curve. Question 16. A turnout allows. The correct answer is a train to change from one track to another. Question 17. The movable tapered rails in a turnout are called. The correct answer is tongue rails. Question 18. The fixed rails in a turnout against which tongue rails fit are. The correct answer is stock rails. Question 19. Crossing number n is defined as. The correct answer is cotangent of crossing angle. Question 20. Heel divergence is the. The correct answer is distance between gauge faces of stock rail and tongue rail at the heel. Question 21. Throw of switch is the. The correct answer is distance the toe of tongue rail moves sideways. Question 22. A diamond crossing is formed when. The correct answer is two tracks cross each other at an acute angle. Question 23. A triangle is used for. The correct answer is turning the engine direction, reversing. Question 24. Marshalling yard is used for. The correct answer is sorting and reforming goods trains. Question 25. Fish plates are used to. The correct answer is join two rails end to end. Question 26. Pandrel clip is an example of. The correct answer is elastic fastening. Question 27. Buckling of rails occurs due to. The correct answer is thermal expansion and insufficient gap. Question 28. Hogging of rails is. The correct answer is vertical downward bending of rail ends. Question 29. Roaring of rails corrugation causes. The correct answer is excessive noise and vibration. Question 30. Packing in track maintenance refers to. The correct answer is compacting ballast under sleepers. Question 31. Adzing of wooden sleepers is done to. The correct answer is provide a tilt of 1 in 20 for rails. Question 32. The side slope of an embankment for railway track is usually. The correct answer is 2, 1. Question 33. Standard distance between two parallel tracks center to center for broad gauge is. The correct answer is 4.725 meters min for new works. Question 34. A bridge having a total length of more than 60 meters is called. The correct answer is major bridge. Question 35. A bridge with a span less than 6 meters is called. The correct answer is culvert. Question 36. Economic span of a bridge is the span length where. The correct answer is cost of superstructure equals cost of substructure. Question 37. Afflux is the. The correct answer is rise in water level upstream due to obstruction by bridge piers. Question 38. Freeboard in a bridge is the vertical distance between. The correct answer is high flood level and the bottom of the superstructure soffit. Question 39. Scour depth R as per Lacey's formula is. The correct answer is both A and B depending on flow. Question 40. The end support of a bridge superstructure is called. The correct answer is abutment. Question 41. The intermediate support of a bridge is called. The correct answer is pier. Question 42. Wing walls are provided to. The correct answer is retain earth of the approach embankment. Question 43. Bearings are provided in bridges to. The correct answer is allow movement, expansion divided by contraction, and transfer load. Question 44. Elastomeric bearings allow movement through. The correct answer is shear deformation of rubber. Question 45. A causeway is a. The correct answer is submersible bridge allowing flood water to pass over it. Question 46. A pontoon bridge is a type of. The correct answer is floating bridge temporary. Question 47. Linear waterway is the. The correct answer is total width of water passage excluding piers. Question 48. Detailed site investigation for a bridge involves. The correct answer is hydrological, geotechnical, and topographic surveys. Question 49. The depth of foundation for a bridge is determined by. The correct answer is scour depth and grip length. Question 50. Minimum grip length for well foundation is typically. The correct answer is 1 divided by third of maximum scour depth. Question 51. Which bearing allows both rotation and translation? The correct answer is roller bearing divided by elastomeric bearing. Question 52. Weep holes in abutments are provided to. The correct answer is drain water from backfill and reduce hydrostatic pressure. Question 53. A bascule bridge is a type of. The correct answer is movable bridge drawbridge. Question 54. In a suspension bridge, the main cable carries. The correct answer is tensile stress. Question 55. IRC Class A loading is used for? The correct answer is heavy military vehicles and heavy industrial loads. Question 56. IRC Class A loading is used for? The correct answer is all permanent bridges on standard highways. Question 57. The function of a cutwater in a bridge pier is to? The correct answer is ease the flow of water and reduce turbulence. Question 58. Inspection of bridges should ideally be done. The correct answer is before and after the monsoon. Question 59. A viaduct is a bridge constructed to? The correct answer is carry a road or railway over a dry valley. Question 60. Aqueduct carries? The correct answer is canal over a natural drain. Question 61. Well foundations are commonly used for? The correct answer is bridges in mobile riverbeds deep scour. Question 62. Cofferdam is a temporary structure used to? The correct answer is exclude water from the site for foundation work. Question 63. Dynamic impact factor for RCC bridges spans greater than 3 meters decreases as? The correct answer is span increases. Question 64. The most common type of superstructure for short span bridges is? The correct answer is RCC slab. Question 65. Box culvert allows? The correct answer is water to flow inside a rectangular box unit. Question 66. Maintenance of steel bridges involves mainly? The correct answer is painting and checking rivets divided by bolts. Question 67. The most suitable shape for a tunnel in soft clay divided by mud is? The correct answer is circular. Question 68. The most common shape for highway tunnels is? The correct answer is D-shaped segmental. Question 69. Horseshoe shape is suitable for? The correct answer is railway tunnels, soft rock. Question 70. Drift method of tunneling is used for? The correct answer is hard rock. Question 71. A pilot tunnel drift is driven to? The correct answer is investigate strata, provide ventilation, and assist mucking. Question 72. Heading and bench method involves? The correct answer is excavating top portion first, heading, then bottom bench. Question 73. Shield method is used for tunneling in? The correct answer is soft soils and water-bearing strata. Question 74. Compressed air tunneling is used to? The correct answer is prevent inflow of water and support weak ground. Question 75. Cut and cover method is suitable for? The correct answer is shallow tunnels, subways. Question 76. Needle beam method is used for? The correct answer is tunneling in soft soils where roof needs support. Question 77. New Austrian tunneling method (NATM) relies on? The correct answer is mobilizing the strength of surrounding rock mass, shotcrete divided by bolts. Question 78. Mucking is the process of? The correct answer is removal of excavated material, debris. Question 79. A shaft in tunnel construction is provided for? The correct answer is ventilation, mucking, and starting new faces. Question 80. Standard explosive used in tunneling is? The correct answer is dynamite divided by gelatin. Question 81. ANFO stands for? The correct answer is ammonium nitrate fuel oil. Question 82. The sequence of operations in rock tunneling is. The correct answer is drilling to loading to blasting to mucking to lining. Question 83. Ventilation in tunnels is required to. The correct answer is remove dust, fumes, and supply fresh air. Question 84. The blowing method of ventilation. The correct answer is blows fresh air to the face. Question 85. The exhaust method of ventilation. The correct answer is sucks dust and smoke away from the working face. Question 86. Portals are. The correct answer is entrances divided by exits of a tunnel. Question 87. Lining of tunnels is done to. The correct answer is support weak roof and prevent leakage. Question 88. Grouting in tunnels is done to. The correct answer is fill voids behind lining and stop seepage. Question 89. Twin tunnels are preferred over a large single tunnel for. The correct answer is traffic separation and safety. Question 90. TBM stands for. The correct answer is tunnel boring machine. Question 91. Forepiling is a method of. The correct answer is supporting the roof in soft ground tunneling. Question 92. Alignment of a long tunnel is transferred underground using. The correct answer is theodolites and plumb bobs via shafts. Question 93. Weisbach triangle method is used for. The correct answer is transferring surface alignment to underground orientation. Question 94. Stray currents in electric railways cause. The correct answer is corrosion of pipes divided by tunnel lining. Question 95. Refuge niches manholes in tunnels are provided for. The correct answer is safety of maintenance staff during train passage. Question 96. Drainage in tunnels is usually provided by. The correct answer is central drain or side drains with slope. Question 97. Overbreak in tunneling is. The correct answer is excavation beyond the pay line design profile. Question 98. Scaling in rock tunneling means. The correct answer is removing loose rock fragments from roof divided by sides. Question 99. Jumbo is a. The correct answer is platform carrying multiple drills. Question 100. The most hazardous gas encountered in tunneling, coal divided by organic strata, is. The correct answer is methane, explosive.